Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you on how I grow daisy from seed. So the variety that I grow this year is the Blue Disc African Daisy from Baker Creek. So there are two important things to take note of when planting daisy. Number one is to surface sow the seed. I make this mistake the very first time I grow the seed because the seed was so big I thought that it can handle being buried in the soil and the seed never sprouted. So that's how I learned my lesson. Number two, daisy dislike heat mat. And yes, I did that mistake too, thinking that it will speed up the germination process. So make sure you surface sow your daisy seed and don't put them on the heat mat. So the setup that I use to germinate the seed is to put the cell pack under the light without the heat mat. So I sowed the seed on February 12th and all of them sprouted on the 17th. And after about a week later, the first true leaf appeared. And this is how the daisy look like today. And in a few more days, I will transplant them into their individual pot. And yes, some gardener do have success by buried the daisy seed, but I did not. So if you are having trouble in germinating your daisy seed, maybe you can try surface sow them. I hope this video will be beneficial for your garden need, and if you like the content of our channel, consider subscribing to our channel. And I see you next time. Happy gardening!